guys, I'm Emily and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my elegant nude makeup look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. Every new subscriber means a lot for me. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first product that I'm gonna be using is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. I'm sorry if my foundation and contour looks a little bit weird, but I have a little allergy here and here on my face, on both of my cheeks, because I changed a little bit my skincare routine and I used some new products, and I think one of them made me have an allergy reaction, so now I have these little, I don't know what are these, but they don't disappear. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and my Kylie Jenner palette. This was the Valentine's Day edition. I'm first taking this shade right here, the lightest one, Princess, and go all over my crease. After that, I'm taking a smaller blending brush with the shade Pink Problem right here. I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, I forgot to put my brow highlighter with this little Morphe pencil. Now I'm gonna be taking the Nubian palette from Juvia's and with a flat fluffy brush, dig in this shade right here and just put it here. And then blend with the previous blending brush. Then I'm taking these two shades right here and start blending from the inner corner. Taking this flat brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray, wet it a little bit, and taking these two colors right here. Then just cut the crease with them. Blend a little bit here again. Then I'm taking this small fluffy brush for the lower lash line. I first dig into Pink Problems from the Kylie palette. Then with the same brush I'm using this brown again. Taking again the brush that we used for the glitter part, dig in the same shades and put it here. Then with a small round brush, I'm taking the darkest shade from the palette and I'm tapping it a little bit up too, so that way the lashes will blend better with the mascara. Taking again the small blending brush and blend the black out. I take a beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Morphe, and I take this flat part and just shape it in the way that you want. Make sure that the beauty blender is empty, doesn't have any foundation on or powder. Taking a little flat brush and my Jeffree Star Sarcophagus highlighter and apply it in the inner corner and brow bone. Next, I'm taking this little liner brush and I'm dipping it into my L'Oreal gel eyeliner and put it in my waterline. The reason that I use the gel eyeliner for my waterline and not an eyeliner pencil is because the gel liner lasts way more than the pencil. And of course, the last step for my eyes will be mascara. I'm using this Pupa Vamp Extreme Mascara. Okay guys, so that was it for the eyes. Now I'm going to finish my face with some highlighter and some lipstick. First I'm gonna be using the Kylie lip liner in the shade Coconut. Then the Kylie lipstick in the shade Nova. And finally the Kylie gloss in the shade Yes Girl. With my face. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I see you every Thursday here on my channel. Bye guys.